One challenge many professional and creative businesses face is turning interest into consistent, high-quality client work. One way to grow demand is making sure your services are easy to find and clearly positioned when potential clients are searching online. With Squarespace's AI visibility and SEO tools, you can understand how your site appears in AI-powered searches like ChatGPT or Gemini, test real search queries your clients might use, and optimize your pages so your services show up more often. This includes refining page titles, descriptions, and on-page content so your expertise is clear and easy to discover. Intake forms can be added directly to your site to collect inquiries, project details, or consultation requests. This creates a simple, professional way for potential clients to reach out while giving you the information you need to qualify leads and respond effectively. Automated email campaigns can then help you stay connected and move those leads toward booking. For example, when someone submits a form, you can automatically send a follow-up email with the next steps, service details, or a link to book a consultation. You can create drip campaigns that nurture leads over time, sharing examples of your work, explaining your process, or answering common questions. This helps build trust and keeps your business top of mind as clients make decisions. You can also use email to re-engage past clients or warm leads. Sending updates about new services, availability, or recent work can bring people back when they are ready to start a new project. When these tools work together, discoverability through search, clear ways to capture interest, and consistent follow-up through email, it becomes much easier to turn interest into booked work and build a steady pipeline of clients. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.